Okay, so I've been asked, hey, what do you do with the pork when it's done? Or in this case, what do you do with the pork if it didn't seal? So this one didn't seal, so I put it in the fridge and it's been there for a couple of days now. It still has the nice thick cap of fat on it. This is what it looks like. The reddish color was imparted by the rub that I put on it. So, all right. Now to do this we are going to make pulled pork, same way you get it at a number of restaurants. So I have a barbecue sauce. This one happens to be, oh look, Guy Fieri. Anyway, this happens to be his Kansas City barbecue sauce, which is actually a really nice sauce. And our tools, we have a frying pan. We name him Dwayne because it's the rock cookware. And we have a fork. And this is all we need. So if you were camping, you could make yourself some nice pulled pork, split it with as many people as you got going on. And now let's see if I can... Why didn't this seal? I have no idea why it didn't seal, but I think it might have had to do with the ring. This ring has a dent in it, so I'm guessing the pressure on it, the pressure holding the inner lid down wasn't even. That's a guess. All right, so now what I'm doing is I'm scooping out the chunks of pork here. And they look, at this point, for all the world, like chunks of salmon. This jar obviously is ready to use again as soon as it's washed. And now I'm just going to smash it up, flake it up, and heat it up. Now, heating it will just let the sauce absorb. You don't have to use a sauce. If you just like cold pork, you can just, put it on your food and go from here. Heating is not a cooking. Heating is to dissolve the fats and to make it absorb some of the sauce. All right. Now I'm just going to continue smashing it up a little. Okay. Did I measure? No. Would I ever measure? Probably not. It smells like pulled pork already. And while this is heating up, because I prefer my barbecued pork to be steaming hot and possibly a little spicy. So I'm just gonna throw in some sriracha sauce. And the liquid that was out there when I dumped it, that is all just juice from the pork. So yeah, here we go. It has a bent rim and a bent everything else. So this ring is history. into recycling. Yeah, you can mix whatever cocktail of sauces and whatnot that you like. I'm gonna make a slice of toast. By the time the toast is done, which I should have started at the beginning, this will be ready. It's already starting a little bit of burbling. Now I'm going to make this part go really fast. So here we go. Open face pulled pork sandwich in 11 minutes, including toast time. If I'd started the skillet before, we would have been done at 10. So there you go. Canned pork, 10-minute meal. Enjoy!